Just wanna see the light.
Hello and welcome back again. In this video we will discuss about our organization of the C# code, scope of the variable, and we will also print out the first guess from our guess variable. Let's have a look on our game flow again. We will give a player a range of a number to think. Let's say our range will be minimum equal to 1 and maximum will be 1000, and then player will think a number, let's say 750. Now our guess will be calculated by adding minimum and the maximum and dividing by 2. Then it will give us a value 500.5. Then after rounding it, our guess will be 500. So now we will ask the player if his number is higher or lower than our guess, and of course the number is higher because it is 750, so that player will choose up arrow. So we recalculate the guess by making the maximum equal to 1000 and minimum is in this case 500 because the player guess is higher than 500. So our guess will be 1000 plus 500 divided by 2, which is equal to 750. And now we ask the player if his guess is higher or lower or is correct. Then the player hit enter because his guess is correct, that is 750. In this way we will complete our game. Okay, now let's jump back into Visual Studio. Till now we have two variables, minimum and maximum. Now we will add another variable, that is guess variable. Int guess equal to 500. Currently we have assigned value of guess directly, but don't worry, we will change it and recalculate from the code later on. Now let's see our code. While player press up arrow, at this time player number is higher than our guess, so the minimum will be the guess. And if the player press down arrow, then the player number is lower than our guess, so the maximum will be our guess. Aha, we got a problem here. We got a red underline on minimum and guess, and also in maximum the red line indicate the errors. Now we are going to solve this problem by understanding the scope of variable. Here the variable int max, min and guess is inside the start method, so it is accessible only inside the start method. It cannot be called or its value cannot be retrieved from the update method. So we have to declare this variable in such a place that they are accessible from everywhere. So now I will move this variable from start method to class level, that is outside of all method. Now we can access this variable value from everywhere, and look, our error has been gone. Okay, now to print our guess value to the console, we'll write a statement debug.log and guess. Do the same for the down arrow. Now save and jump back to Unity. Hit the play icon and check. While pressing up, we get our guess value 500, and by pressing down we got our guess value 500. Now we have a guess variable ready to use. Thank you for watching, and we'll meet you in the next lecture.